I just wish to share a glimpse of my journey at Luark, because when I was interviewing for this role, the leadership team at Luark asked me, why do you want to join Luark? Why do you want to shift? And my answer was pretty clear, because I was clear from here that I want to work where my work is appreciated, acknowledged and seen. And I feel that's pretty much for everyone, most of us. And I'm happy that my work is appreciated, acknowledged and seen at Luark by all the team members, by all the team members who are working here. Because we work very hard and we give 100% to deliver such products that have the ability to go viral and that solve real problems with optimized solutions. And the best part is that we are looking forward for Goan talent to join us, because we know the kind of expertise that Goan engineers bring to the table. Even though we have been given this tag that we are Sushekar, but I feel that is during the weekends. During the weekdays we work pretty hard and we are pretty sharp, and that shows when such products are delivered. So yeah, that's just to show you about that's just to tell you about how our team functions and the kind of culture that we have. I'll hand it over to Heston now. Thank you so much, and you can any day reach out to me if you have any queries on LinkedIn. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Shreya. For the next person, I think everyone knows him. I don't know how we found him, but somehow we found him somewhere. So he's been working with us for some nice interesting things which we are going to launch in some time. And he's going to talk about it, what was his experience in our office just for a day. And he's still not come to office. So today I'm taking him with me.
Thank you, Hassan. I wasn't prepared for any of this. They told me when I was coming down in the elevator. So I joined Tursus like a few weeks back, more than a few weeks back. But then the first thing I had to do was I had to go to the office. So you had to go to Porvorim, it's very far. So Leroy told me to come with Hassan, and that whole journey, it was like I learned a lot of stuff. And when I entered the car, I knew like these were the right people. They are very friendly, and the bigger companies that I've heard about, it's all the manager tells me this, then there's another thing. Over here, it's all very friendly and all that stuff. But yeah, and then when I went to the office, everyone was so nice, and I really liked it. And at the company, if you go to Panjim side, you will see a big billboard of Tursus Energy, right? And I don't remember any other billboards over there except for that one, because that always catches your eye. Okay, I'm sure most of you who have gone that side have seen that. So now the thing is, I have to be at that level, which I hope I can be at that level to give that much design aesthetic. Yeah, so that is what I hope to do for the work that I go forward with. Thank you.
Thank you. So he's actually doing motion graphics with us for our websites and other products. So this is just a small thing what he was working on. So this is the same solar power calculator which is shown on our website. What he's actually working is on the animation parts using Rive technology and other things. So this is just the start of it. Later on we'll be doing some 3D rendering, automations, how it is showing, like just to give you a perspective, panels falling from the air, sun is glowing, panels are lighting up, house is lighting up. So that's the concept what you are looking from it. And that's it from my side, not taking too much time. And you can contact us anytime, reach out to us. Or if you have any questions, you want clarity regarding, say, college or life or whatever is there, you can just reach out to us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Haston, Ms. Aishwarya Parab and team for your valuable presentation. We now proceed to the MOU signing with Luark. I request our Director, Principal, Head of Computer Department, as well as Mr. Haston Silva and Aishwarya Parab to gather at the MOU signing table.
will now present a memento to Mr. Aston Silva and team, requesting our director to kindly do the honors.